Today's specialists are very different from those workers who worked in factories a few decades ago. And the production processes themselves are very different. In our video you see the most fascinating of them.
In our modern world there should be a place for rest and entertainment. People have fun as they can. It helps relieve stress.
Woodworking equipment is needed for processing wood, which is used in construction, furniture manufacturing, and more. Skillful hands of workers create products that are needed for the population. Many handmade goods are also exported. Today's workers are very different from the workers who worked in manufacturing 100 years ago. And today's production processes are very different from the production processes 100 years ago. Construction work is highly valued in the modern world.
High-level workers do their job professionally.
Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day.
Women, despite their fragility, can easily replace men. They can even push the car to the workshop.
Over the past 100 years, most businesses have been automated. Program-controlled lathes are a new approach to manufacturing.
For the manufacture of metal products, skillful hands of workers are needed. The manufacturing process is very labor-intensive. The metal is melted and only then products are made from it.
Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day.
Many food products are packaged in plastic bags. The entire production process is automated and is carried out at specialized enterprises. Special automated enterprises operate in a state of strict sterility and control. All workers undergo a medical check before starting work.